Welcome to Cunning Quizzes. Here are 30 medically miraculous questions, all about the human body. Are you an expert anatomist? Let's find out. Proceed. How many muscles do we have in the face? 22, 43, or 95? Yeah, there are 43 muscles in our faces. How many litres of blood are there in the human body? 5, 10, or 15? Oh, only 5? That's about 10.5 pints of blood. Which organ causes heartburn? The heart, the lungs, or the stomach? It's the stomach. Which organ filters the blood? The kidney, the intestines, or the bladder? Yep, it's the kidney. At what temperature is a fever considered to be present? 34, 37, or 39 degrees Celsius? Yeah, it's 39 degrees Celsius. Which of these muscles is the strongest? The biceps, the tongue, or the jaw muscle? Wow, it's the jaw muscle, also known as the masseter. Which organ produces insulin? The liver, the pancreas, or the stomach? It's the pancreas. Which pigment protects the body from harmful UV rays? Rhodopsin, hemoglobin, or melanin? Yes, melanin. How many chromosomes are in most human cells? 27, 34, or 46? That's right, 46. What is the name of the tissue that connects bones to muscles? Tendon, ligament, or cartilage? Yep, tendon. Which lung is larger? The left, the right, or they are equal size? Well, it's the right. I thought they were equal size. Where do blood cells originate? Bone marrow, the spleen, or the heart? They originate in the bone marrow. Which condition is the result of an elongated eyeball? Myopia, astigmatism, or presbyopia? Myopia. What is the hardest tissue in the human body? Bone, cartilage, or enamel? That's right, it's enamel. It covers the teeth. Where is the tibia located? The skull, the arm, or the leg? It's located in the leg. What are the standard readings for healthy blood pressure? 100 over 60, 120 over 80, or 140 over 100? Yes, 120 over 80. What is the main muscle used for respiration? The cardiac muscle, the abdominals, or the diaphragm? The diaphragm. Which part of the eye does not have blood vessels? The iris, the cornea, or the sclera, or the white of the eye? Yep, the cornea. Where does fertilization typically occur? The womb, ovaries, or fallopian tubes? It's the fallopian tubes. What is the largest gland in the body? The liver, the pancreas, or the adrenal? Yep, it's the liver. It produces bile, which helps break down fat. Where is the larynx located? The neck, the arm, or the abdomen? It's located in the neck. Which component of blood is responsible for coagulation? The platelets, the red cells, or the white cells? Yes, it's the platelets. What is the name for the layers that envelop the brain? The pleura, the meninges, or the medulla? It's the meninges, where we get meningitis from. Which of these is a symptom of carbon monoxide poisoning? Tension, weakness, or red spots? Yep, it's weakness. Very dangerous. Which bone protects the heart? The femur, the pelvis, or the sternum? Yes, it's the sternum. Which organ system is the first to develop in an embryo? The nervous, the cardiovascular, or the urinary? Yes, it's the cardiovascular system. Which of these places do not have microorganisms? Skin, intestines, or the blood? Yes, it's the blood. Which condition results from abnormal electrical brain activity? Epilepsy, dementia, or a stroke? Yes, epilepsy. Which nerve regulates heart rate? The trigeminal, the sciatic, or the vagus? Yep, it's the vagus nerve. What is the medical term for air leaking from the lungs? Pneumothorax, asthma, or a stroke? Pneumothorax. That's all for today. How did you do? Let us know below. Cheerio!